Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's Kitchen. Today we are going to make goat masala, also known as mutton masala. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started. For this we need 0.5 kg goat leg meat boneless, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 1.5 cup beaten yogurt, 1 inch chopped ginger, 4 garlic cloves finely chopped, 4 finely chopped green chillies, 3 medium sized onions, few mint leaves, few coriander leaves, 2 tablespoon ghee and 1 teaspoon Kewra water. Now for the recipe, in a big utensil add goat, yogurt, ginger, garlic, green chilli, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. Mix everything together and keep it in the fridge for at least 1 hour to overnight. After this, add mint, half of the onions, coriander and 1 tablespoon ghee. Mix again everything together. The onions are added separately in the second marination to avoid its raw smell. Now in a pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add the remaining onions. Cook until they are light brown in color on medium flame. Add the marinated goat and mix. Turn the flame on high mode and sear the goat for 5 to 10 minutes. This is done so that the juices are intact within the meat. Turn the flame on low medium and cover and cook for 45 minutes with occasional stirring. The raw onions, yogurt and goat will release water, will help in cooking of goat. Check if the goat is tender or not. If undercooked, then cook until the goat becomes tender. Open the cover, add Kewra water and cook for another 2 minutes uncovered. The Kewra water part is optional. Add 1 teaspoon Garam Masala, some coriander leaves and mix. Cook for another 2 minutes. The goat masala is now ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, on a platter, place a paratha or a naan with a bowl full of prepared goat masala. Garnish goat masala with ginger julienne, chopped coriander and mint. Add butter on top of paratha. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, cut the paratha or naan in small triangular pieces. Place those pieces in a serving bowl. Add goat masala on top of it. Garnish with chopped coriander, ginger julienne and mint. Place a butter cube on top of it. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, in a martini glass, add goat masala, add triangular pieces of paratha, garnish with chopped coriander, ginger julienne, mint and butter. Your plate 3 is ready to serve. Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.